little yogis, I'm so happy you're here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today's session is filled with playful movements and gentle breaths to help you feel calm and strong. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin together. Place your hands under your shoulders and lift your chest up. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Stay here for 5 slow breaths. Inhale, exhale, gently relax. Kneel and gently lean back, opening your chest. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold for 5 slow breaths. Inhale, exhale. Gently come back up. Squat deeply with feet wider than hips. Press your elbows against your inner knees, bringing palms together at your heart. Keep your spine long, heels flat, and chest open. Bring one leg forward and stretch the other back. Keep your body relaxed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold for 5 slow breaths. Bend forward and let your arms hang down. Relax your neck completely. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Stay here for 3 slow breaths. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Keep your back straight and hands on your knees. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Let's do this 5 times. Inhale and exhale. Continue slowly until all 5 breaths are done. Kneel on one knee and extend the other leg straight to the side. With the foot flat, reach one arm overhead and bend sideways toward the extended leg while keeping your chest open. Bring your big toes together. Sit back on your heels. Lower your forehead to the mat. Let your arms rest and feel calm. This is a cozy resting pose, safe and quiet. Bring feet together and hold them. Gently move your knees up and down. Let's flap like butterfly wings 10 times slowly. Now stay still and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Round your spine upward, tuck your chin toward your chest, and gently draw your belly in. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Lift your chest and tailbone upward, arch your back, and look slightly forward.
Lie on your belly, bend your knees, and grab your ankles. Inhale, lift your chest and thighs off the floor, creating a bow shape. Keep your gaze forward and breathe.
Lie on your belly and place your elbows under your shoulders. Lift your chest and look forward. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold this position and take 5 slow breaths. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Sit with legs extended and spine tall. Lean back slightly. Lift your legs to form a V shape. Keep your chest lifted and back straight. Extend your arms forward, engage your core, and gaze ahead. Sit with knees stacked one over the other and feet beside your hips. Keep your spine tall. Raise one arm overhead and bend it behind your back. Bring the other arm behind and clasp hands. Open your chest, keep your head neutral, and breathe steadily. Lie on your stomach with your arms alongside your body and legs extended straight. Lift your chest, arms, and legs off the floor while keeping your gaze forward and legs engaged. Into an upside-down V shape. Press your heels toward the ground. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Hold and take 5 deep breaths. Keep breathing slowly. Stretched and breathed